Hello, everybody. I am Zenna. I'm on the go-to-market team at ElevenLabs. And for those of you who are not familiar, we are an AI audio research company. So we build our own foundational text-to-speech, speech-to-text models. And today I am going to show you our conversational AI solution that allows you to deploy a voice agent in a matter of minutes. And we're seeing these agents kind of deployed all over the place in many different use cases and verticals. And it's really able to handle tasks that feel very natural and human-like to the end user, but at scale. So today, I am just going to give you a quick demo of the platform. We're going to go ahead and create a new agent here. You can use one of our blank template or any of the other templatized agents that we have. We already have an agent pre-built, like our SDR qualification agent. So SDR, for those who aren't familiar, is a sales development representative. And we use this to talk to any candidates that we have. And we're seeing a lot of agents deployed specifically in the recruiting space. So we're seeing this a lot at ElevenLabs. So we're available in 32 different languages. So you can pick any language that you want to start off with, and then you can pick any additional languages as well. Let's select all here. Oops. Looks like there's a delay. And then you can have the first message that your agent will say once you call the agent. You'll have a system prompt, and this is really the meat of the agent. This is where you're giving it objectives, you're giving it its personality, you're telling it exactly what the guardrails is, where you want it to stop, and what you want it to actually take away from that conversation. And then you can have dynamic variables. We are LLM agnostic, so plug in whatever LLM you want here, and we will do Gemini 2.5, the fastest for conversations. You can add your own knowledge base. We've implemented our own RAG solution. And we also have 3,000 voices for you to pick from. So under the voice tab, you can select whatever voice works best for your use case. Whether, in sales, it might be more direct and conversational, or customer support, it might be, very friendly and supportive. And then you can also add your own evaluation criteria. So what makes a good SDR? They have to speak the language in which they're applying, and the language in which the country they're applying for. They have to understand ElevenLabs, and they have to have at least some experience selling software. And then what the agent can do is also collect data about that user, and you can read that back to your database. And let's test him or her out. I don't know if we gave her a name.
Welcome. I'm here to get to know you better and understand if you're a good fit for the SDR role at ElevenLabs. Let's dive into a few quick questions. What's your full name?
Hi, my name's Zenna Arab.
Nice to meet you, Zenna. To start, could you share your experience in tech sales or SaaS? How long have you worked in this area, and what are some key achievements you're proud of?
Yeah, I've worked in the area for years. I, love working with customers. I'm very technically literate, and I've worked on some exciting projects.
That sounds great, Zenna. It's wonderful to hear about your passion for customer interactions and technical expertise. Could you tell me where you are based and how you feel about working remotely?
Yeah, I'm based in San Francisco. I'm happy to work remotely or in an office, so open to all options.
Thank you for sharing that, Zenna.
And I won't go through all of that and have the full conversation, but I think you guys get a good idea of how conversational it is, the interruption model, obviously, and everything, and how realistic it sounds. So we have 3,000 voices that you can pick from, so whatever fits your use case. And then when you do go into the call history, you can see that we have the evaluation criteria here. So you can see I failed the SDR test, but you can go in and take any additional actions after. And we have a really easy API that you can just deploy with any vibe code platform that you want to use. So yeah, that's ElevenLabs.